Eco-Whims. Welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you the notification when I upload my new videos. Here in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating, and it's only a demonstration of how to start off a chunky knitted blanket from loops using your bathrobe actual belt. So with the bathrobe belt, this is going to be a demonstration only of how to start off the loop and how to secure your loop and how to continue the loop. This is not a full out video. This is just to get you started. I will be doing a separate video showing the full length of how to create different patterns in various ways of doing this hand knitted motion. Take a look. So go get your bathrobe and go get the belt from the bathrobe, and let's pull it out and get started. Let's practice the loops. Take the bathrobe belt and cross it over like a breast cancer awareness ribbon. That's the look you should have first. From that loop, we're going to twist it around one more time, and this is what you should have. Now you should have the long piece on your right hand side, which is your working string. You're going to put your hand through the loop and grab the working string, which is the string on your right, and pull it up a little bit to create a loop. Again, breast cancer loop, twist again, slip knot created, pull it tight, pull the working string through from the right, pull the working string through again from the right, and repeat the pattern. Just keep practicing until you feel comfortable enough with your loops and how spaced out they are. You can have them as big or as small as you want. Just keep practicing until you feel comfortable with your results, and it should look like this. Check it out. Thank you for participating. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking like and leaving a comment below. Thank you for